Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix the unexpected error on WhatsApp desktop for Windows. I ran into a weird unexpected error message on WhatsApp for PC once, and the app basically refused to open properly. The quickest fix I found was reinstalling the app completely. So the first thing I did was uninstall WhatsApp from my computer, just removing the existing version so it stops using any corrupted files. After that, I opened the Microsoft Store, searched for WhatsApp, and installed the official version again. Once the fresh install finished, and I signed back in, the app started working normally again. If the error still shows up after reinstalling, another thing worth checking is your Windows updates, because outdated systems files like sometimes cause apps to behave strangely. I also double check my internet connection, since WhatsApp depends heavily on a stable network to sync messages. Between reinstalling the app, updating Windows, and making sure the internet is stable, those steps usually fix most unexpected WhatsApp errors on PC pretty quickly. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.